Hey y'all, welcome back. It is day 4 of Nonstop November. Yes, I made it 4 days. Look at me. But yeah, y'all. Today I'll be showing y'all how I made these butterfly glass nails. I don't know what the hell is up with these clips, but some of them are like moving a little bit slow. Bear with me. I don't know what the hell happened in editing. But yeah, I'm just starting off by putting my clear coat on, aka my glass coat, as you see me do in the previous video, and I'm showing you guys the design I sketched out is so damn sloppy. But I'm just starting off putting my stones around the cuticle areas of all my nails, and then on my, the thumb finger, I'm gonna wrap the stones all the way around because I won't be doing a butterfly or any real design on that because like I told y'all before, you don't I'm going back in with my gym gel glue and I'm just putting some stones on the tips of the nails because I felt like it looks a bit too plain for my liking with just stones around the cuticles. So there's stones around the cuticles now and stones on the tips of the nails. Alright, now that those are out the dryer, focus, ho. But now that those are out the dryer, I'm just showing you guys the design I drew up. Real sloppy, nothing special. It was just like a really rough draft of me trying to figure out what I want to film today. So I'm just starting off with the 2 butterfly fingers, actually the ones that matter, the main show. And I'm just showing you guys when I put them together, it's going to make a butterfly. So starting off, I just took the glue, my gym gel glue. I can never remember the brand of it, the gym gel glue, and I'm just putting it in the shape of a butterfly, basically a V, but I'm doing the bottom piece a little bit longer and the top piece shorter because that is how I want my butterfly to be made. And I'm just sticking my stones on there, and I'm going to do the same thing for both nails. three butterflies that I got. Don't recall where I got them from. I really couldn't tell y'all, but I'm just putting those on there. I'm putting three on the pointer finger, and then I believe I put only one on the pinky because the pinky's so tiny and you don't want to overwhelm that finger with over designing it. Alright, now that you see that's on, I'm gonna pop those in the dryer and move back on to the main event, the butterflies. I'm just gonna put some glue around the perimeter of them, and I'm just sticking stones around them to make it pop a little bit more because I feel like it was just too plain. Alright, so boom, those are finished. Focus! And that's how they look. Gonna pop those in the dryer, and voila! These nails are complete. Oh my god, they're so freaking cute. It never wants to focus. Look at the sparkle, y'all. I love them so much. And I'm gonna show how they look in the box because the blue background just, they don't hit right. And this is how they look. Ooh, I love them so much. These are so good. And I'm actually going to show you guys how I apply them when I take all my pictures and videos. I do not glue my nails on when I take all my pictures and videos because I do so many in a day that it would ruin my nail beds, and I really don't want to do that. So I'm just using these clear nail tabs, and when you order press-on nails from me, they come with these also, and they come with glue if you just want a temporary wear or glue for a long-lasting wear. So you just see me putting them on right now, and then I'm going to pull off the top and just put on the nails. Look how good that looks. That looks so good. Oh my gosh. Boom. Now let's do a nail montage. Oh my gosh, don't they look so cute? Oh my gosh. I'm so in love with these nails, y'all. I'm just showing you the picture versus what they came out to be. I love them. I love them. I love them. I know I say this about every set, but I think this just might be my favorite set that I've made thus far. I'm just I'm just in love with glass, like the glass look. It's just so I can say it's like kind of minimalist, but it's not because of all the bling and all the extra I'm doing to it, but it kind of is because there is no color, and this actually shows my stones just standing on their own with nothing extra, no enhancements, no anything, just straight glass, straight glam, straight bling. I love, love, love it. That's me. Alright, now I'm showing y'all how they look in low light. This is my favorite lighting to shoot nail pics, especially if they have like bling on them like these. Like, you can see everything, all the sparkle, all the shine. I love them so much. These nails are available on my website, katoribeautycontact, under glass, bling butterflies. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.